What's going on, my tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Boss. I don't even have to say who it is. You already know it's the one and only Tech Boss. Today we're going to be having a look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I mean, the Note 8 came out, we did a video on that, we unboxed it together, we had a look at what was in the box. So you know what, I thought the best thing to do and the reasonable thing to do was get the S9, I mean the Note 9, not the S9, and unbox it so you guys can see what's in the box. So without further ado, let's crack the box open and let's see what's inside the box. So guys, here we have the Note 9. I'm having to film on my car because why not? I like to do a bit different. Anyway, let's slide this open. We're just gonna have a look around the box and see what's in the box. So on the side here we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 on the side there. Then on the top here we have the pen, and there's a special feature about the pen on these Note 9s that I think the blue Note 9s have the green pen and then the purple Note 9s have the gold pen. I'm not sure what color this pen has, so we're gonna have a look and see. Anyway, at the back we have some specification about the phone. I'm just gonna read some out. It's got basically at the top we have just the screen resolution and stuff like that. And then it's super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel camera at the back, and then we have a super slow-mo, we have a 8 megapixel camera at the front, which is a selfie camera. We've got an iris scanner, and then we have the S Pen with the remote control. This one is actually the 128 gigabyte storage for memory, 6 gig of RAM. It's got a stereo speaker tuned by AKG, so again I'm guessing it's going to have the AKG headphones in there as well. And then we have a 4000 milliamp battery, wireless charging, and IP68 water resistant. At the bottom there we just have the color Midnight Black. So let's just slide the phone out, the box there, put that aside, and then we have the main box which just says Samsung at the front. Let's just crack it open. So we're greeted with just a little box which I assume has the quick start guide and stuff like that. So let's just open it yet. Quick start guide which is down there, and then we have the SIM ejector which is at the back right there, so you can swap out your SIM cards and put a new SIM card and stuff in it. Let's put that to the side. And then we have the main device in here. Just pop it out. There we go, put that to the side. We're just turning it on just to let it boot up and stuff like that. I'll put that down there. What else is in the box? So we just have the tray the phone sits in, and then inside that's the layout. It's exactly the same layout you get with the Note 8, the Samsung Galaxy S8 and the S9 as well. So it's just the normal stuff. The fast charging brick which is there, and then the micro USB connector, and then we have the USB connector as well. And then in here we have the AKG headbuds, which is also always good to see because it's very good. It's actually, for a tiny headbud earphones like this, it's actually really good. I use that with my S8 Plus, which is just better than every single headphones out there in the market. And then we have the earbuds ear tips, which is in there to get it comfortable inside your ear hole, eardrum, whatever you want to call it. And then here we have the charging USB-C cable, and then we have this again that we had in the in the Note 8 to take the little bit in the pen and swap it out, stuff like that. But anyway, that's what's basically in the box. It's a nice box. I'd probably keep this box because it's just so nice, just so well built. It's just unreal. Anyway, we're talking about the pen on this. So it's turned on. This is what it looks like, if you can see it. But yeah, let's have a look at the color of that pen. It looks a bit matte. Oh, just the nice midnight finish color with the actual phone. Looks nice though, looks nice. Up top we just have the SIM tray, the mic, and then on the side here we have the power on button or the lock screen button. And then moving to the bottom we have the pen which is right there. And then we have the speaker grills at the bottom there, and then we have the mic, the USB USB-C connector to charge your phone up. Then we have the 3.5mm headphone jack. And then on the side here we have the the volume up and down key there, and then of course the annoying Bixby button, which I don't really like. I wish I can program it to do something else. I would program it to do YouTube, but obviously we don't have that. We don't have that choice to make. Samsung has left it as the Bixby button. I don't like it, but yeah, we just got to live with it. So guys, there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It's a bit it's not different, it's exactly the same as the Note 8. A little bit of a difference, the fingerprint scanner is right there at the back, so it's more easier to get to when you actually want to unlock the phone. It's very comfortable as well. You grab the phone and you quickly just put your hand there and you unlock the phone straight away, so you don't have to reach for nothing like on the S8. I mean on the Note 8. So it's literally just there in the back, pick up the phone, tap it on, and that's it. Sweet, all unlocked and ready to go. Anyway guys, that's been the video. Don't forget to look down there in the description below and check out my Instagram page, because I've got an Instagram page for all my tech videos and the reviews and everything I do. And also don't forget to hit that like button. Also don't forget to subscribe as well and turn on the post notification ring button thing, whatever you want to call it, so you guys can know when I upload my videos. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.